Will we still be here in 100 years? It's a heavy question, one that can feel overwhelming, but it's also one of the most important questions we can ask. Let's explore it together, not with fear, but with curiosity and a little bit of hope. First, let's address the elephant in the room, the challenges, and there are some big ones. Climate change is a reality we're already experiencing. Rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and shifts in our ecosystems are putting immense pressure on our global community. We're in a race against time to transition to cleaner energy, protect our biodiversity, and adapt to a changing planet. The decisions we make right now, in this decade, will echo for generations. It's not about pointing fingers, it's about rolling up our sleeves and working together. Every small action, from reducing waste to supporting sustainable businesses, adds up to a massive collective effort. Then there's the rapid advancement of technology, especially artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to solve some of our most complex problems, from curing diseases to optimizing our food supply. But it also brings a new set of questions. How do we ensure AI is developed and used responsibly? How do we prepare our workforce for the jobs of the future? These are not just technical problems. They are ethical and societal puzzles we need to solve. The goal is to make AI a tool that empowers all of humanity, not just a select few. It's about building a future where technology serves our best interests and values. Another major hurdle is global cooperation. In a world with nearly 8 billion people, our biggest challenges are global in nature. Pandemics, economic instability, and resource scarcity don't respect national borders. We've seen how quickly a crisis in one part of the world can affect everyone. This means we need more collaboration, more understanding, and more empathy. It requires us to see ourselves not just as citizens of a country, but as members of a single human family, sharing one precious home. Strengthening international institutions and fostering a spirit of global citizenship is no longer a lofty ideal. It's a practical necessity for our survival. Now, all of this might sound a bit daunting. And it's true, the stakes are high. But here's the thing about humanity. We are incredibly resilient. Think about our history. We've survived ice ages, devastating plagues, and world wars. We've gone from living in caves to walking on the moon. Our greatest strength has always been our ability to adapt, to innovate, and to come together in the face of adversity. This capacity for change and creativity is our ultimate superpower. And the innovation happening right now is truly breathtaking. Scientists are developing revolutionary green technologies, like fusion energy and carbon capture, that could transform our relationship with the environment. In medicine, breakthroughs in genomics and personalized treatments are promising longer, healthier lives. We're even taking our first serious steps towards becoming a multiplanetary species, with missions to Mars and beyond. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the reality being built by brilliant and dedicated people all over the world. These pioneers are writing the next chapter of the human story, and it's a story of progress and possibility. So, what does this all mean for our survival in the next 100 years? It means our future isn't written in stone. It's not a matter of fate, but a matter of choice. The future will be a direct result of the actions we take today. Will it be easy? Absolutely not. It will require courage, determination, and a willingness to think differently. It will require us to prioritize long-term well-being over short-term gain. The key is a shift in perspective. We need to move from a mindset of passive worry to one of active participation. Ask yourself, what can I do? Maybe it's learning more about climate science, supporting policies that promote sustainability, or simply having constructive conversations with friends and family. Maybe it's pursuing a career in a field that's building a better future. Every single one of us has a role to play in this great human project. Your voice matters, your actions matter, and your hope matters. The next 100 years will undoubtedly be a time of profound transformation. We will face tests that will challenge us to our very core. But I believe we will not only survive, we will thrive. We will learn to live in better harmony with our planet. We will harness technology for the good of all. And we will become a more connected, compassionate, and resilient global community. The journey ahead is a collective one, and it's the most important one we will ever take. So, will humanity survive the next 100 years? I'm an optimist. I believe the answer is yes. A resounding yes. but it depends on us, on you, and on me. Let's choose to build a future we can all be proud of. If you found this video thought-provoking, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content that explores the biggest questions of our time. What gives you hope for the future? Until next time, stay curious and stay hopeful.